Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how to distinguish between distance and displacement. First off, the content and language objectives. The content objective is I can distinguish between distance and displacement. Language objective is I can write my own explanation of how distance is different than displacement. So first off, what is distance? What is displacement? This picture shows pretty well the two concepts. Distance, it says here, is the total length that is traveled, as would be measured by an odometer of a car or a pedometer if you're tracking steps on your phone. And so you can see in red here, the distance that this biker travels is every step that's taken along the way. It'd be measured in meters. Displacement, on the other hand, is shown in blue here. Displacement is also a measurement of length measured in meters, but it's from the starting position to the finishing position directly. And so it would not be the path, but it would just be the start point to the end point. Distance is always going to be a positive value. Displacement can be a positive or a negative value, where negative values would be down typically or to the left. So what is an example to distinguish between these two? What is the total distance that's traveled if you move from A to B to C to D? Illustrated here from A to B to C, C to D, you would have a distance of 3 meters plus 5 meters plus 3 meters. 11 meters is the distance you've traveled. Displacement, on the other hand, is just from start to finish directly. So if you went from A to B, B to C, C to D, even though your distance is going to be 11 meters, your displacement is only 5 meters because your start point is A, your finish point is D. And if you went directly from A to D, that's just 5 meters. Distance versus displacement, just another example to sort of show you. If you were to travel from Sioux City, Iowa to Des Moines, Iowa, you can see that there are 3 different paths that are recommended by Google here. You could take one path that's 209 miles on the top, a second one that's 189 miles in the middle, or 198 miles on the bottom. So there are different distances that you would have to travel. But if you start in the same position and you end in the same position, your displacement would be the same, and it would be less than any of these 3 values. That's the end of this video explaining the difference between distance and displacement. If you have any questions, please stop by during our homework help hours or period 1A. Thank you very much. Have a great day.